This video will demonstrate one way to turn a lecture into a video using PowerPoint. And here's the basic process we'll follow. We'll start by opening a completed PowerPoint presentation. Then, we'll create voice recordings and add them to each slide. Finally, we'll export the entire presentation as a video. To start, open the completed presentation you'd like to work with. As an example, I'll open a grammar presentation on adjective clauses. And on the left navigation panel, select the first slide you'd like to add a voice recording to. In your menu bar, select Insert. Then on the far right, you'll see the Audio button with a drop-down menu. Select Record Audio. And if this is the first time you've made a voice recording in PowerPoint, your computer might ask for permission for PowerPoint to use your microphone. In that case, you can adjust the settings as necessary. You'll see the Record button on the right side of your screen. You can press that button to start and stop your recording. Remember, we're making a recording only for the slide we selected, not the entire presentation. I'll make a short recording as an example. Today, we'll discuss the purpose and structure of adjective clauses. If you'd like to do the recording over, you can select Discard and Start Again. But I'm satisfied with the recording, so I'll select Insert. Now, you can choose the next slide on your left navigation panel and follow the same process. When you're finished with the recordings for all of your slides, you need to export the presentation as a video. To do this, select File, then Export. It's recommended to select the MP4 format because MP4s work on the most platforms and media players. Select Export, and the video will be saved in your computer.